listen and practice. The Magic Seeds. In a small village nestled between rolling hills and lush meadows, there lived a poor farmer named Sam. Despite working tirelessly on his farm, Sam struggled to make ends meet. One day, an old traveler passing through the village approached Sam and handed him a small pouch of seeds. "These are magic seeds," the traveler said with a mysterious smile. "Plant them with care, and they will bring you great fortune." Sam, though skeptical, thanked the traveler and decided to give it a try. He planted the seeds in his field, hoping for a miracle. To his surprise, the next morning, Sam found a small sprout emerging from the soil. The plant grew rapidly, and soon it bore the most vibrant and exotic fruits the village had ever seen. Sam harvested the fruits and sold them in the market, making a handsome profit. Word spread about Sam's magical seeds, and he became the wealthiest farmer in the village. However, with his newfound wealth, Sam's attitude began to change. He became arrogant and boastful, often flaunting his riches to his neighbors. One day, a wise elder from the village approached Sam. "Remember, Sam, the magic of those seeds is not just in fruits they bear, but in how you use the fortune they bring," the elder cautioned. Sam shrugged off the advice, believing that his success was solely due to the magic seeds. As the seasons passed, Sam continued to prosper, but he became increasingly selfish. He stopped helping his neighbors and refused to share his wealth. One night, a fierce storm swept through the village, destroying the crops of many farmers. Sam's fields, however, remained untouched. The next morning, his neighbors approached him, seeking help and shelter. "I'm sorry, but you must fend for yourself," Sam coldly replied. That night, as Sam slept, he had a vivid dream. In the dream, the traveler who had given him the magic seeds appeared. "You misunderstood the magic, Sam," the traveler explained. "The real magic was in the kindness and generosity you showed when you were poor. The seeds were merely a reflection of your good heart. Now, it seems you have forgotten the true source of your success." Sam woke up with a start, realizing the error of his ways. The next day, he went to his neighbors, apologized for his selfishness, and shared his wealth to help them rebuild. As he did so, the magic seeds began to glow once again, and his fields flourished more than ever. Sam learned that true wealth comes not just from material success, but from a generous and compassionate heart. From that day forward, Sam used his wealth to benefit the entire village, and the magic seeds continued to bring prosperity to all, teaching everyone the importance of humility and kindness.